Iraq without UN backing seems far more likely. And British forces are stepping up the tempo of their preparation with Iraq, ensuring all is in place if the political decision is taken to attack. James Robbins, BBC News at the United Nations in New York.
Well, live now to our correspondent. Premier League, Celtic have closed the gap on leaders Rangers to 3 points after a 1-0 victory in this afternoon's Old Firm derby. John Hartson fired home the only goal at Celtic Park in the second half. Celtic still have a game in hand over their Glasgow rivals. And that's it for now. There are news updates throughout the evening on BBC News 24, and I'll be back with more from the news.
Good morning to you. If you haven't already heard, it's going to be a chilly weekend, but it's a rather short, sharp shock, really. By the end of the weekend and into the start of the working week next week, it will be a little bit milder. But we've got some blizzard conditions. A severe weather warning has been issued with gale force gusts of winds to higher ground. Caithness and Sutherland seeing a particularly treacherous spell of weather for the next few hours. The same too for Moray and into Aberdeenshire. We may just see those snow showers filtering down to the borders by the end of the night, first thing in the morning. We've also got some rain running through the North Sea, and that may just see some wintry showers just running in along the coast here, but they should be few and far between. A chilly old start to the day, temperatures falling to freezing or just below in 1 or 2 spots. But it will be a predominantly sunny start for much of England and Wales. Decent spells of sunshine for the middle of the afternoon for the Midlands and running along the coast of May. Showers filtering inland, but they should. One or two windy showers filtering. Really. One or two showers continue to the north and Scotland, and then more in the west.
Hi, how was it? Oh, thanks. Did you get a job at a burger bar? Oh.
Simply pop open our new tub and let one concentrated aerial liquid tab do the rest.
I was just, don't worry. The shirt will tell me in the morning.
Ariel tackles the A to Z of stains. So that's another load of...
Oh, he's been a very naughty boy! Just one season's beating! Just one!
Hey, that's not the real Santa!
This mole lied to us! Let's get him!
Casumi Pedro. Casumi Sycorax.
Quad, it's getting ugly in here. Come on!
Voici, contra Fifeluzza. Contro te bel support, so pedrecai. Bandak. Su masak jalban. Kurjak chief. Sycorax.
Times overnight, just occasional clear spells and some misty bits. Lows tonight, 5 Celsius in moderate southwesterly winds. Well, tomorrow morning starts rather cloudy, some outbreaks of rain, we think, brightening up for the afternoon, but we will...
This Christmas, homemade will once again reign supreme. Fresh shall conquer frozen. Succulent can overcome scrawny. And one man shall tempt us to fresh waters, whilst another eases from tasteless turkey.
Back into my shoulders. Ooh. Are your shoulders moving too? Oh, one, and then...
Moment during this terrible time. It's hardly the Queen's speech. I'm afraid that's been cancelled. Did we ask about the royal family? Oh. They're on the roof.
Don't let me have to use this!
But, ladies and gentlemen, this crisis is unique, and I'm afraid to say it might get much worse. I would ask you all to remain calm. But I have one request. Doctor, if you're out there, we need you. I don't know what to do. If you can hear me, Doctor, if anyone knows the doctor, if anyone can find him. The situation has never been more desperate. Help us. Please, Doctor, help us.
All skills of the highest quality. You want some? You want some? Bring it out!
Spoonie on 606, you know the number. The thing was...
Yeah, so have a go.
There's only one place to keep up with football this season.